So we've been in the pandemic for over a year now. Coronavirus, new strains are developing, and all we can do is continue to wear masks while new vaccines are being developed for the new coronavirus strains. Mask wearing it curbs transmission rates and is very effective. However, there is an issue associated with prolonged mask wearing. After my research online yielded the fact that rebreathing CO2 while wearing a mask for prolonged durations are unavoidable when someone's traveling or at work. Rebreathing CO2 can result in anything from dizziness to fatality. And as an independent researcher and an engineering student, and being familiar with microcontrollers and how they're pretty much in every gadget around a house, I realized that there needs to be some kind of system that monitors CO2 levels and actuates alarm behavior for a user that can effectively warn them when threshold levels of CO2, in this case 5,000 parts per million, is being passed, because 5,000 parts per million poses things beyond dizziness and the like. So effectively, this system monitors and actuates alarm behavior that can be toggled on and off by the user. When I first started this, I began to become familiar with how different microcontrollers can be used in a sensor actuator fashion. And while iterating through several designs and different parts on a breadboard, I basically used the same code and same overall layout with little changes here and there, but writing it was the real task. And now that the proof of concept has been done, and I stuck with the same sensor throughout the design, I am going to use a printed circuit board to make this commercial. And effectively, the printed circuit board design is going to be low cost, high efficiency. So I will choose circuit designs and different components to optimize that.